Mastering Weave Through, a guide for English learners. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common but intriguing English phrase, weave through. This phrase is not just about threads and fabrics but carries a deeper meaning in various contexts. Let's unravel the threads of this expression together. Weave through is a phrasal verb with two parts. Weave, meaning to move in and out or intertwine, and through, indicating movement within something. This combination creates a vivid image of moving skillfully in and out of obstacles or crowds. It's like a dancer fluidly moving amidst a crowd, avoiding collision yet gracefully maintaining their path. 1. Traffic navigation. The cyclist weaves through the busy city streets. Here, it describes how the cyclist moves in and out of traffic, avoiding cars and pedestrians. 2. Physical movement in crowds. She weaved through the crowd to reach the front of the stage. This illustrates someone moving between people in a crowded area. 3. Metaphorical use. He weaved through complex issues during the negotiation. In this case, it's about navigating or handling complicated situations effectively. While we're not focusing on phonetics, it's important to note the smooth flow in saying, weave through. The V in weave flows naturally into the TH of through, making it almost sound like one continuous word. Try practicing it aloud to get the feel of it. Don't confuse weave through with just weave. The latter can refer to creating something by interlacing, like weaving a basket, which is different from the movement implied in weave through. Avoid literal interpretation in non-physical contexts. When used metaphorically, it's about handling situations, not actual physical movement. I hope this exploration of weave through has added a new thread to your tapestry of English knowledge. Remember, language learning is about understanding the nuances that make phrases come alive in conversation. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.